Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful day, and on behalf of Bakersfield College, we want to say thank you to all of our industry partners and college partners that are here with us today for Manufacturing Day 2023.
Manufacturing Day is Bakersfield College's annual event to showcase modern manufacturing. Over the next decade, 4 million manufacturing jobs will need to be filled in the U.S. Manufacturers need skilled individuals to build that workforce pipeline to get the workers into the manufacturing industry. There are many programs at Bakersfield College that are in the industrial technology pathway. The knowledge and skills gained in these pathways will give graduates a head start as they move on to careers in the manufacturing industry.
Decided to come out here to Manufacturing Day. It's our second year in a row. We're a distributor. We take care of all the manufacturers out here, and it's just good to come out and tell the kids what we do.
We have a long-standing partnership with Bakersfield College. We've had great success with students that come from Bakersfield College. We also do a lot of recruiting in the area for various positions. We're here to meet with students, hopefully grow interest in manufacturing.
Manufacturing Day shows Kern County students what modern manufacturing looks like and the many different career options it provides. We hope Manufacturing Day will inspire the next generation to join the manufacturing industry. We hope to see you for the next Manufacturing Day event at Bakersfield College. Thank you to our sponsors.